I've been part of ActionCOACH for a while, and we've done several, and I just find them really beneficial because you come away with a plan, you're able to spend some time away from the office and actually think about what needs to be done in the next 90 days, and then the hub is implementing. But the Growth Club, the planning is why I come here. I enjoy it all. I mean, for the benefit of the company, the planning is invaluable. But I enjoy meeting all the others, and a lot of the breakout sessions are extremely useful. You get to talk about things you'd never talk about outside these rooms. So I personally enjoy the whole lot.